playing under pressure. Must-win quarter for him. Not really came close to hitting the ceiling there. A long way up. And again, that's a bit easy for Jack.
Yeah, that was much more straightforward to put away.
Great move, Jack.
Oh, how did he sneak that one in?
As you said, Jenny, the focus of Jack Draper's is to come forward more on that occasion.
Oh, that's well played.
5-4, the power.
Really good court coverage from Jack Draper.
There's at least 4 on there.
Six,
Top class,
five, the
how
ice
proud he is to be back in.
Well played.
8-7.
Big hitting from Jack Draper. Oh, well done.
Great ball.
And that
10-8
hand is being
the
ripped at the
power.
moment. Jack Draper
Here we
is
go,
locked
Jack.
in. And again, one more time.
The power.
Draper's 6th consecutive
Here we go.
point. He has turned this quarter around.
The Iceman is shooting the next point. Come 3. A UTS card.
Gets in the way of that one,
11, the power.
Sheesh, that was hit with some power.
Here we go, mate.
Out. Quarters complete.
Wow, well, it was called long, and Jack Draper did manage to hang on in that quarter.
Oh, that forehand's gone nowhere from the first quarter. Casper Ruud shows off his forehand there. Such a solid athlete, Ruud. A couple of nights ago in London.
That's the way, come on. He's on that back.
3-1. The Iceman.
Down after after what was a very dramatic semi-final for him, losing out to Holger Rune, but it's not the end of the story, is it, Jen?
Absolutely not. Drama on the UTS court. Oh, well played. Lovely change-up.
The Iceman.
Gone for it again, and it's worked. Oh, well played.
8-6, the Iceman.
Went for the serve and volley. Got a little bit of luck.
The Iceman.
The smallest of apologies as well.
Go, Jack!
Where did that come from? Deserves a bigger clap than that, my friend.
Here we go, mate. Come on, looking strong.
Certainly does. Casper Ruud.
Jack, wow. How on earth did you manage to steal that quarter?
I don't know. Came out with some really good shots when I needed to. I thought Casper played an incredibly high level. It was a really good quarter of tennis, that's for sure.
Absolutely, and your coach saying that your forehand is an absolute weapon. You are ripping it out there from all parts of the court. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Bit tired?
A little bit.
Just a tad?
But I'm ready to go for the next one, that's for sure.
Well done, Jack. We'll let you rest up.
Thank you.
That forehand working absolute wonders.
Draper's tennis. Some shoulder injuries this year, but right now, doing his best against the world number 11, who can pull off shots like that. Deft touch from Ruud, and he's playing under pressure. Must-win quarter for him. Oh, Jack Draper.
6-all.
Painting the lines.
Well done.
On the singles
court.
court.
Slide on the serve volley.
Go a little wider. Look at that.
Quarters reach a deciding point. Oh, that's a great shot.
7-all.
Draper.
8-7.
All the drop shots coming on.
Quality again here.
Terminate the power.
Wow. Casper Ruud is asking the same question.
Don't wait for him to miss. Don't wait for him to miss. Come on.
deciding
UTS
point.
first 3
Right here,
consecutive
mate. Let's go.
quarters
Let's
going
go.
to a deciding point. Casper Ruud is speechless because Jack Draper is putting on a show. They both are.
Match point for Draper then. And he's done it!
Complete.
Jack Draper has defeated Casper Ruud,
The ball
3 quarters
race.
to love,
3
and has
quarters
made
to love.
the UTS Grand Final. How on earth did he dig that out?